New palette smell. Ooh, there you go. Happy holidays. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about some makeup. Of course. Merry Christmas to everyone, and also happy holidays to anyone, anything you believe in. Happy holidays. So today, the cute little Christmas goodie is going to be GLAMLITE's Pie Palette. Also, what we're going to be talking about today is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and they gave you some free lashes. The names are Appeal. But before I get all the way into it, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things, and also don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. So with these Pie palettes, I did purchase it, I believe, I want to say this was around that $20 mark by itself. I know they had a whole collection. Well, let's start off with the outside packaging. It looks like a cute little pie wrapped up, so just hand to your neighbor. There you go. Happy holiday. It's captured in there like a little plastic film, like it's like a pie in a box. It does say GLAMLITE, and then it says Pie Palette. On the back, they do show you the colors and everything, which is awesome. Look at this palette. Yes. The Pie Palette is the most glamorous pie you've ever seen. Pretty sure. Yep, pretty sure. Look at that. It's actually, instead of the, traditional just cherry or raspberry or strawberry jam or whatnot in there, it is literally just red shimmer, red glitter. And the outside does have the crisscross method like a pie, and in the corner, the nice little crust. It's so cute. Craving a delicious baked treat, our mouth-watering pie palette is ready to be served. Inspired by the most traditional and exquisite flavors, this pastry-themed palette contains 9 delectable shades: apple, pumpkin, blueberry, sweet potato, nutty, pecan, mud pie, and more. This treat wouldn't be complete without our complimentary cherry blush. But yeah, this GLAMLITE, this packaging is adorable, including the hard case of it. I freaking love this. The packaging is immaculate. They do have pressed pigments and eyeshadows in this palette, by the way, guys. Very cute. And it's also a medium size. It's not too big. And I actually really love that. I just love that glitter in there. Like, just unnecessarily glamorous for no reason. But I love it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I actually quite enjoyed this palette. So we're gonna dig right into these shades, okay? So with this, you do get 9 delectable shades, of course. They have traditional pie names, which is awesome. So let's just open this up and check her out. Yes, look at that, look at that. So we do have apple pie, nutty pecan, blueberry, mud pie, pumpkin, mixed berry, blackberry, peach, sweet potato, and cherry pie blush. Oh yes, you heard me. Blush, right smack dab in the middle. They do give you 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. And then we have a matte blush. I kind of want to dig into the blush because that was actually shocking. I was like, I don't know how it's gonna look on me because usually those, it's like a pinky mauve. Has a little bit of mauveness in it, but it's very, very pinky. So I was thinking, mauves show up on me a little better, a lot better compared to pinky pink. I have to usually mix those with a darker one to get pretty much a mauve anyways. But this kind of gave me the best of both worlds. It's soft, subtle, not too crazy. See? Oh, just cute. My favorite shades out of this palette, y'all, I would have to say Nutty Pecan. Oh, I love Mixed Berry. Mixed Berry is so pigmented. Oh, so good. And then Nutty Pecan, am I right here? So, so pretty. Peach was my favorite, but as you guys can see when I put it on the inner corner of my eye, she just wouldn't show up even with my Morphe base. She shows up, but she doesn't show out, you know what I mean? I really, really wish this smelled like pie. Like, I want just a scent. Just give me a scent, please. Por favor. Literally, it's like there's no reason for this not to smell like pie. Look how edible. This looks legit, like legitly like a pie besides the glitter. I want her to get into scents because I feel like she plays with her lip gloss. And I'm like, I'm gonna need you to play with it in your palettes too, ma'am. I think for Christmas time, it was smart. It has a lot of this nice burgundy, the maroons, the deeper, richer reds, the cranberry, all that kind of cherry kind of colors. Let me swatch ones. I think I used almost every color on my eye. Oh my God, I used every color on my eye. That is the first. I used every single color of this palette, y'all, on my eye and my blush on my cheeks. I used every single color. So I guess my favorite, Nutty Pecan, let me swatch, Mixed Berry, the blush. Let's swatch those 3. That's Nutty Pecan, and then we have Mixed Berry, and then we have the Cherry Pie blush right there at the end. Of course, you can use probably the blush as a shadow. That's what I was planning to do, but I was like, you know what? She showed up, showed out. Cute. These were more pigmented than I've seen in a while. That pumpkin and mixed berry is extremely pigmented. Like one little, you see how pigmented that was? Like that was a lot. I was like, okay, that's a lot of pigment. I feel like she maybe amplified these colors a little something, a little extra, because that is, yeah, I was like, oh, gotta be very light-handed. And I've never been heavy-handed with her pigments because they're very pigmented anyways, but this was a little extra pigmented. She did a little something extra for this palette. But please make it smell like pie next time. So next what I'm gonna talk about actually is Kiss's Lash Glue Liner. You guys have seen this on my channel before, but this is the black one. And these actually came with lashes. So the lashes that were in this set is actually a peel. So I was actually shocked to see this in Walmart. It's like a little cute little set. So they had the liner and they had the lash in there. This, I had to try out the black one. I said, let me try the black liner versus the clear one. Because you guys know the clear one, I was like, it smudges your makeup. Well, with this one, I'm thinking, if it's black and I use it just like a liner and I want it to show, then how would that look on? And I have to admit, I like the black one better than the clear one. I was like, But I thought, but wouldn't it feel hard on my eye that I don't have my lash on to create the extra little zing, you know, the little wing that we created? But no, I don't feel it at all. And I'm just like, oh. So I should have probably tried the black one instead of the clear one, y'all. Because I'm like, that's really good, actually. So I really like these. And these lashes, y'all, are the business. They're very cute. They're flexible. I don't think these are anything of faux mink. These are limited edition, by the way. You can snag this buddy before it is gone because apparently it's limited edition. So guys, that was my review over the new GLAMLITE Pie palette and also the Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black. And it gives you the lashes a peel in them too. So, you know, peel into these lashes. Real cute. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which one do you like out of the GLAMLITE whole collection. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So whenever I pop up with these videos, you can find them and catch them. So again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Happy holidays to all of you out there. And you guys know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye. Happy holidays.